Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to fix disk write error on Steam while downloading. Also don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you did, let's dive in. First thing we can do is find our Steam right here, mine is right here, and right click on it, go into settings, select compatibility, and when you come to the compatibility tab, there should be under the settings tab, there should be a run this program as administrator. After selecting that, we will just say apply and then just quit. Of course, this should work normally for 99% of the errors. This could work, but if that doesn't work, there are a few more fixes we can do. If the first fix didn't work, you can always open your Steam, go into settings, then go into storage. After going to the storage, right now as you can see, I have a local drive C and a local drive D, which is like full of games. I will just select one of them, whichever one you are having problems with. Click settings here and then just say repair library. Of course, you gotta say yes to this. It will start repairing your library folder that is full of games and potentially fix your problems. Right now this one is done, and now I will just go and fix my E drive as well. Again the same thing, just click the three dots here and say repair library, because this library is full of games here as you can see, and if there are any problems on it, it can be problematic. It might take a while, by the way. It might take a minute, it might take 2 minutes. Right now my drives have no problem, so mine didn't take long, but if your drives actually have a problem, Steam might take a while to actually fix it. Right now they are done, and of course for these, you might be fine with just doing these, but if that didn't work as well, there is one more fix we can actually do. We will still in the settings, we will go downloads, scroll down, and here we will see clear download cache. This is important. If you have any problems with downloading or starting apps, you can click clear cache right here. And of course you have to do like a restart and everything, but this can solve most of your problems. Also, for a better game experience, you should enable pre-caching here. I mean, you don't need to apply the Vulkan one, but you have to enable the normal one for a generally better gaming experience. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.